Hi, I'm Tom Casey from Griffin Service, home of the Florida-rated AC, and I get asked all the time, what exactly is a Florida-rated AC? Florida's high humidity and summertime temps put unique strains on an AC system. Strains an out-of-the-box system or a sloppy install can't handle. Many people are shocked to discover that most bubbified contractors rely on worn-out rules of thumb because they either don't understand or don't take the time that it takes to get things right. And yesterday's shortcuts lead to tomorrow's problems. Now, this isn't unique to Florida, but many of the downsides and flaws are magnified by Florida's subtropic climate, especially when the out-of-the-box system wasn't up to the task to begin with. Florida-rated systems are properly engineered to keep your Florida home comfortable at all times, even when it's raining or at night. Florida-rated installs with properly sized and correctly installed ductwork ensure design airflow to keep every room evenly cooled or heated and your system humming along for years of trouble-free service. Florida-rated systems improve the air quality and dehumidification to keep your home mold-free too. In order to give your Florida home the Florida-rated AC performance it deserves, we start with a pinpoint assessment, measuring your home completely, inspecting all of your ductwork, and then calculating all of your requirements. Many other contractors skip this crucial step, relying just on the rules of thumb or replacing what you've got to match up to some new out-of-the-box system meant more for New England weather than Florida weather. We start with focusing on airflow. After all, it is air conditioning, right? If your ducting and airflow are not right, nothing else will matter, including how good or efficient or even what brand the equipment is. We ensure the right size ducting properly installed, then we overcome the other dirty secret, the other dirty truth of most AC systems, and a key reason they're usually undermatched for Florida's climate. They can't flex to meet the variable load demands on your system. In order to give your Florida-rated system flexibility, we match variable speed blowers with modulating compressors to your properly sized ductwork. We also insist on enhanced filtration and sterilization. Preventing microbial contamination like mold or mildew is crucial in Florida. Most systems don't do this out of the box. Our Florida-rated system does. Finally, we build in extra dehumidifying power. Sure, regular AC systems dehumidify, but only when the AC runs. When it's not hot enough or your house is already cooled down, your home gets muggy. We add the ability to dehumidify even when it's raining or nighttime or winter or cooler than usual. But here's the important part. Adding extra equipment won't make your system Florida rated. Unless the entire system is properly designed for your home and correctly installed with no shortcuts, no bubbifications, it won't perform or last like a Florida rated system. Boom.